morning, St Mary's. Hope you had a nice weekend and welcome to this week's assembly, which is all about courage. What courage looks like for you, what courage looks like for me, and it's all about opening up doors. Because if you see, there's a picture on here of lots of different doors, and I think with a bit of courage you can open up doors, go new places, see new things and try new things. So this week's assembly is all thinking about courage. When we think about courage, and I know when I did an assembly about this last year, we talked about the story of David and Goliath, and I think that's a brilliant story in the Bible that really does show us what courage means. So David was really small in the story, but when he was faced with a big danger, the giant, he chose to be brave and do the right thing. Not always an easy thing to do. He didn't choose to run away from it. And perhaps when we're faced with something dangerous or painful, we can remember David and Goliath and the way that God helped David to do something wonderful. All David had to do was be a little bit brave. So can you think of any times where you've had to have courage? Well, I can think of a time, and this is something that reminds me of one of those times. This is a figure that I collected when I was in South Africa, and this is something that was being carved on the side of the street when I visited a place called Swaziland, and it reminded me of when I had to really dig deep for that courage, because it was the first time I went travelling for 3 weeks by myself. So I'd never done that. I was an adult, obviously, but I'd never done it. I'd never got on a plane by myself. I'd never gone on a holiday by myself. And so I had to dig deep for lots of courage to have the bravery to climb on that plane and go to South Africa by myself, where I stayed for 3 weeks. And I had to dig deep and be brave because while I was out there, as you know, I worked in a monkey sanctuary. I tried so many new things, went to so many new places, and one of the things that I tried that I have to say was super scary was I went whitewater rafting while I was out there, and it was properly dangerous, and we were warned if we fell out we might not be able to get back in, and if we fell out to watch out for the different creatures in the waters. And I had to dig very deep for the courage to have a go, but I did it. I did fall out. Luckily somebody heaved me back into a boat, but it's an experience I will never forget. And if I hadn't dug deep for that courage, I would never have done it. What have you dug deep for? What have you tried? What have you had to have courage to try? I'm going to end our assembly today with a poem instead of a prayer, and it's one of my favourite poems, and it's called Footprints. Lord, you said that once I decided to follow you, we would walk side by side through life. But when I needed you most, I only saw one set of footprints in the sand. And the Lord replied, I love you and would never leave you. And during your times of trial and suffering, when you only saw one set of footprints, it was then that I carried you.
Here at St Mary's we learn together and have fun together, making memories and friends that last forever. Learning for life, we try again through sunshine and rain.
Until you get it right, we do with a smile.
I wake up with a smile. It's a bright and sunny day. Time to go to school, learn with friends and play.
If we're feeling blue or wake up with a frown,
We can trust our school to turn it all around. Together we are strong. Together we believe. Together we will shine. We are St. Mary's. We are here to learn. We are here to grow. We are here to change. We are St. Mary's.
together when I'm side by side with you. A time has come to respect the one and only St. Mary rules. Don't mistake us for some follies. They taught us how to speak, read and write. If we stand together, we can all unite. School is educational, teachers inspirational. Call to the call, yeah, I wanna learn more.
And that brings us to the end of our assembly. Thank you for listening. I hope you are all well. We're really missing you all. So we're sending you lots of hellos from St. Mary's, and I hope you're all happy. I hope you're all looking after each other, and I will see you next week.